it's Dwayne, the Success King, and today I want to share with you something most people don't realize about credit repair. The more you stress about it, the slower it goes. The more you let go, the faster results come. That might sound crazy, but it's true. People who check their score every day panic after 30 days or quit too soon almost always slow down their progress. But the people who stay calm, detached, and trust the process, they see the biggest wins. Today I'll show you why detachment speeds up credit repair, the mistakes most people make when they're too attached, and how you can practice letting go so your score rises faster. Now, before we get into this, please subscribe to this great channel. Hit that notification bell so every time I'm uploading great content just like this. Now, let's get into this. Why does obsession slow credit repair? Most people start credit repair like this. They send a dispute letter and then check their score the next morning. The day after that, they check it again. When nothing changes right away, they panic. Here's what happens when you're too attached. You dispute too often, which triggers verification instead of deletion. You rush to pay a collection without negotiating, which costs you extreme money. You quit too early saying, "This doesn't work," even though the process just started. I once helped a client named Sarah, that's who I'll say it is. She had a 540 score when we started and was desperate for a quick fix because of something she wanted to do. She sent disputes every week, called the bureaus nonstop, and stressed herself out. Nothing moved for months. When she relaxed, came in, joined our plan, and followed the things that we instructed her, she gave it time, her score jumped 70 points in less than 3 months. Her panic slowed her down, her detachment sped her up. So, why detachment speeds things up? So why does letting go actually make things move faster? Well, the system needs time. Every system does. Credit bureaus have 30 days to respond. If you keep poking them, you interrupt the process. Your brain makes better choices. Stress leads to bad decisions. Detachment keeps you calm so you don't waste money or hurt your report. Confidence attracts better options. When you act like someone who already has good credit, lenders treat you differently. Think about planting a seed. If you dig it up every day to see if it's growing, you'll kill it. But if you water it, leave it alone, and let time do its work, the seed grows. Credit repair works the same way. Unfortunately, because so many people needing credit repair are only considering it at the time of some purchase or need, they always feel in a hurry, and literally that in a hurry feeling creates attachment, which creates a problem with getting things accomplished. Now, how to practice detachment in credit repair. Here are some simple steps to practice detachment when repairing your credit. Step 1, track your actions, not your score. Instead of checking your score every morning, focus on the steps you've been instructed to do or you've decided to do. Did I send my disputes? Did I build positive credit? Did I stay under 10% utilization? Step 2, check reports once a month. That's enough to see real changes. Daily checks will only make you anxious, and anxious people do things without thinking. Step 3, build while you repair. Open a secured card. add a positive trade line, or become an authorized user. That way, while negative items are being worked on, positive ones are also being built. Step 4, understand the law. The Fair Credit Reporting Act gives creditors 30 days to respond. Knowing this helps you stay calm and patient. And if you have done the right work, you know the results that are going to come. Step 5, keep living your life. Work on your business, your relationships, and health while your credit heals. Don't pause your whole life for a score. Here's a story. My client James started at 520. He stayed patient, trusted the process, and worked on building new positive accounts while I handled the strategy of his credit repair. After 6 months, his score was 660, and he was approved for a car loan at the lowest interest rate he had ever seen. His success came because he detached and let the plan work. Trust me, there is a plan for a detached person that an attached person will never be able to walk out. Now, I want to talk about detachment in my CBL blueprint. Now, let's connect this to credit, business, life. Credit. Don't tie your identity to today's number. It's just a snapshot. Keep doing the work and let time do its job. Business. While credit is repairing, build your systems. Build your offers and go after your clients. Don't wait until your score is perfect. Life. Stress doesn't fix credit. Patience does. Detachment gives you peace while the process plays out. I've watched people destroy their peace over a score. But when they detach, they not only see faster results, they also enjoy their lives more. Let me just help you get this so that you never forget this. You may be anxious and in a hurry because of something you're trying to do. But there's 2 words you need to understand in credit repair: abundance and scarcity. People with a scarcity mindset doing credit repair believe that the option on the table is the only option that will ever come. So now they're trying to get it all done in a hurry. But detached people who believe in abundance know it's either going to be this deal or something better. So I'm not going to rush. I'm going to take my time, learn, do this right, so that I never pass this way again. Here's the truth. Detachment in credit repair isn't about not caring. It's about trusting the process, making smart moves, and giving time a chance to work. So my challenge to you is this: stop obsessing. Check your reports once a month. Make sure you're monitoring. Use someone like Smart Credit. Do the right steps and then live your life. When you detach, results are going to show up faster than you think. And listen, if you found this little instruction to be helpful, subscribe to this channel. Here I'll teach you how to master credit, grow your business, and create a life that works. All with my believe, feel, act pattern. Well, I'm so excited to have shared this with you. Be blessed. I look forward to seeing you here again real soon. Be blessed.